New gen phenomenal star, Belle Mariano, is all set to conquer New Frontier Theater for her first solo live major concert. It's a showcase of her musicality and her artistry, plus highlighting new tracks from her sophomore album.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Convenient, love.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I love you daw, sabi niya. Sino ba yan? Ano nagsabi? I love you, Belle daw.
I love you. Water break.
Ikaw wala kang tubig. Okay. Game.
Hawak kamay na lalakad sa may
Walang pasigan, saksi ang alon at buwan.
Bilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y
Tumatawa o tumitingin sa aking mata.
pwede namang dito muna tayo.
Hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit dilaw.
Habang dumidiin ang paa sa buhangin,
Tumitingirin ang pangarap na ako at ikaw.
kinakabahan na baka gusto mo na umalis.
Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin.
Huwag muna tayo umuwi, mundo'y tahimik
Sa
iyong tabi.
dito muna
Aga pa ating gabi, naglalako ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna, muna ako.
ako.
Tayo.
I know she's wondering, can it be fair under circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine.
If the universe finds time to analyze something good for and fine, I know wherever you land is to life.
Close your eyes,
Try to tease, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be
safe here.
Someday we'll shine, and while it still stands, someday we will be set free. Believe.
Supply, supply. Close your eyes,
Try to tease,
'cause when nothing
seems clear, you'll be
safe here.
from the shore
All the doubts and fears
very high.
you'll be safe here.
I think as the concert king ko, no, kunyari lang totoo yan. With the power bestowed upon me, I would like to officially give you a title. Of the many that you will be getting, we want to call you the NGCP. NGCP. New Gen Concert Princess. Do you like that? Be the princess, aim for the queen. You got it?
Grabe naman, Tito!
So
When you say the word, it's all that begins. I'll hold your hand and wipe your tears. We laugh until we run out of beats. 'Cause no matter if the blue skies turn to gray, there's always sun that's bound to light our way. And all the years around, we'll get through it just because. We'll have our weeks. And
Why does God allow us to feel hurt? For us to heal. And for us to understand what healing feels like. Tama! You know, the song is full of questions and the inner monologue of someone who knows God is in control. Despite of whatever we're going through, God is in control. But sometimes, you know, an explanation would be nice. Mahirap magtiwala pag ang dami mong tanong. Pero you know, sa kabila ng mga tanong sa utak mo, may darating na isang tao sa buhay mo. Siyang babago sa mundo mo. Hindi mo alam, pati apelido mo biglang nagbago.